Good morning, everybody. Happy Voters Day. So, we decided to do a little video here. Yes, we talked about it. And I told you I'm doing it because it's funnier and I'll get up.
There's the truth of the discussion where we discuss it. It's actually Robin notifying. That's the discussion. Welcome to married life. Yes, dear, I don't know. Go ask your mother. There you go.
So, anyway, be quiet.
She's going to poke fun at me. Can you tell this is a face of someone about to get poked fun at?
We've got all our little baby chicks who are just absolutely infatuated with their daddy. And I just wanted to see if I could catch it on video how funny they are as soon as they see David pull in.
Should I just unplug the fence and then walk by and you can see them all massing and pushing the fence open?
These poor little things are so mistreated. They're starving to death before we even get there. And we pull in, and of course David takes way too long to get them their food. So here we go.
Oh, look at the tulips.
Oh, aren't they pretty?
Oh, wow, they're all the way down here. They're all the way down here.
They're really blooming.
I'm talking about the chickens.
Yeah, I see the chickens.
Hey, Robin.
Hey. So.
Oh.
Pull up a little bit more.
Yeah.
Alrighty.
They're still scratching out there.
Just a minute, bud.
I'm just gonna.
They're gonna push all through the fence. There's one. I'm loose. Where's my food? And another one, and another one, and another one.
I am out.
Well, they're not doing it as bad, but I'm still getting a massing.
Yep, you got a few of them, don't you?
Why don't you go show them the ducks?
They must have gotten a little bigger overnight, because usually they all just come piling out of that fence there. It is so funny. Alrighty. Sorry I'm wobbling around so much, you guys. I got a 4-year-old who's wanting attention, too. You gotta help me, bud. Good grunt.